What's the meaning of buffoonery? Buffoonery. Buffoonery.
Buffoonery. Buffoonery. The word buffoonery refers to behavior that is silly, ridiculous, or clownish, often done for the sake of making others laugh. When someone engages in buffoonery, they are essentially acting like a fool and not taking things seriously. This type of behavior can be entertaining in certain contexts, such as in comedy or theater performances, but it can also be viewed as inappropriate or unprofessional in other situations. Overall, buffoonery is characterized by a lack of maturity and seriousness, and it tends to result in laughter or amusement from those around the person engaging in it.